Good morning. We are here at Gary's Jamboree again. Gary's Jamboree 2024 in the middle of nowhere, Gold Country, California. And Monica is ready to make some breakfast. What do we got this morning?
Today we are making scrambled eggs. Okay, we are ready to cook some breakfast. So let's turn on.
What power level are we going to for the eggs?
I just do 5.
Not scorch
I kind of like it.
Yeah.
5. Oh, let me see. What is it? Is it on?
It's
on. Can't. Oh, it's 5. Okay.
5. All right,
5.
there we go.
So we start with some fat, and I have bacon droppings.
Whoa, bacon grease from home. Checking on our power level here. So we're doing about 700 watts. Whoa, you just turned it up.
Yeah, I did.
You have to number 6 now?
No, I'm 5.
You're
I reduced to 4.
Oh, but now you're at 5?
Yeah.
Okay, you're 5. So 900 watts. So 900 watts for a single burner on 5.
Okay. And as it kind of melted,
Oh yeah.
let's add
Bacon grease.
some onions and mushrooms. We'll wait for the bell pepper a little bit later. I don't like really cooked bell pepper, so I usually put it in very last moment.
So if you don't want your bell pepper crispy, put it in now. And if you do want it crispy, because you're weird like Monica, then save it for the end. Smells awesome already.
Right? That bacon.
Well, that and the scallions. The bacon grease and the scallions. Whew.
Yeah.
It's a match made in heaven.
Meanwhile, this is cooking. I'm going to prepare bread. The Acme bread.
Are you gonna like toast it, or what's your plan? So on the way on this camping trip, the first stop we made was in the Acme Bread Company in Berkeley. And woo! Is it a rock or is it looking good?
It's a little bit rocky.
A little rocky?
That's the softest we have. It's pretty soft still.
It's pretty hard.
Well, when you slice, so anyway.
Anyway, where's your new bread knife?
Well, I don't want to use it because I think I want to return it. Since we never used it.
You know, the steak knives might be sharper than that camp knife, for what it's worth. Just thought.
Yeah, it's true. But it's also a longer blade too, right?
Maybe. So we were talking to our fellow campers last night, I think it was, or the night before last, I don't remember, about some of the pros and cons of induction cooking. And so one of the things we pointed out that they hadn't realized is that when you have something like this and you just want to like shake things around, you can do that. But if you lift it, it turns off immediately. It's not like a fire, right? So as soon as you lose contact, the burner turns off. So if you're used to like picking up and flipping your flapjacks or whatever, you really have to stay in 2 dimensions and keep it on. Now that being said, it's this total like ceramic glass top, so it slides back and forth pretty easily. But one of the funny differences about doing induction cooking. How's the knife doing?
Very good. Not as elegant as if you use the bread knife, but this is pretty good. The bread is pretty nice, actually. It's because it's super moist.
That looks like terrifying nut and twig bread. I was beat with that as a child.
It's amazing. It's sourdough.
Okay. I'll be sour. You can be dough. It'll be teamwork.
So you're not having any?
I'm fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'll have it. It's amazing.
Sounds good.
Or maybe even have a bite now.
Oh, do it now. Get to the chopper.
Hold on.
Oh yeah, keep those teeth nice and strong.
Okay. Mushrooms are pretty soft now. Okay, so let's add bell peppers. Bell peppers. Give it a little small swirl. And let's start it. I reduce this
4, 3.
to 3.
3, okay.
And I'll start cracking eggs here. How many eggs do we want? All 6.
All 6. Why not? It's 10:30. This is brunch. why it's important to have clean hands in cooking.
Yeah.
You never know when you'll use it to pull an egg out of the shell. Okay, one nice thing about these Magna pans, they have a nice sharp edge for cracking those eggs, don't they?
Yeah. Let me wash my hands.
Big box of shop towels hiding right there, easy access, which is awesome.
And let's do some scrambling. Yeah, I'm leaving it on 3. So not to overscorch it.
Garlic chipotle onion. And
red pepper flakes.
Pepper flakes.
Okay, that's enough.
Those are powerful pepper flakes. There goes another one of our neighbors. There was something like 30 to 40 Rivians here. It's kind of funny. It's enough electrical power to, like, you know, feed a good-sized town.
Okay, I think the eggs are done.
Awesome. Now the fan is still going here because the induction cooktop is still hot. That glass is still hot, and it will be for a little bit. In fact, there's a little H, I think, that shows up here somewhere. Right there. So the total power used was just 109 watt hours. Not too shabby, not too much power. Okie dokie. Breakfast of champions. Bon appetit.
Dobrou chuť.
Yeah, it's funny, we haven't had fly trouble here at all. And then all of a sudden, when your eggs cook going. Oh yeah. How's your Leviathan bread?
Really good.
Okay, can I have a bite?
was easy.
It was like easy. Oh my god.